Thank you for choosing Xfinity. My name is Jen. May I have your name, please?
Miguel Smith.
Awesome. I see here that you're calling in about your offline modem. Is that right?
Yes. My phone has no dial tone, and I have noticed that something's not quite right with the lights in front of my modem. You have to fix this. I have to make important phone calls.
I understand that phone service is important for communication. Nothing to worry. Let's work together and have your phone working again.
Sounds great.
These issues are usually fixed over the phone. If not, we can send out a technician or get in touch with a higher department for further and advanced troubleshooting.
Sure.
I appreciate that, Miguel. You mentioned that your modem is offline. Do you see a solid online light?
Where can I see that?
Glad you asked. That's the light next to power and US/DS.
Found it. It's off.
Got it. When an online light goes off, the modem will not function properly. Let me help you identify what causes this. Is it okay to ask further troubleshooting questions?
Sure.
Awesome. Are you close to the affected modem?
Yes, I'm in front of it.
Perfect. You mentioned that you cannot call anyone from your home phone. Can you give me the affected phone number?
Sure. 708-581-5129.
I appreciate that. I would also be needing the last four characters of MAC address of the modem. That's usually located on the sticker at the back or bottom of the equipment.
Sure. It's 5812.
Got it. Can you check if the modem's power light is on, please?
Yes, I'm looking at it right now, and the power is the only light that is on.
Thank you. If that is the case, then we need to double check its connection. Let's start with the coaxial cable going to the wall. Is it properly connected?
That's the black and round cable, right? It seems okay.
Great. How about the back of the modem?
Seems okay as well.
Appreciate that. Are you using a splitter? If so, we may need to remove it first and connect the coaxial cable directly to the wall outlet.
Oh, no, I don't have a splitter here.
Did you happen to relocate your modem on a different outlet?
Nope, it has always been installed here in my living room.
Awesome. It seems that your modem is connected properly.
So what should I do next?
Since we already secured all those connections, let's try to power cycle the modem. If you have a battery installed on the modem, we may need to remove it first before unplugging the modem for 15 to 20 seconds. Let me know once you're ready plugged it back in.
All right, let's try that one more time. I don't have a battery, so I'm just gonna unplug it, okay? And it's plugged in now.
Awesome. Thanks, Miguel. This may run for a maximum of 5 minutes to allow the modem to reset. While we wait, did you know that you can do troubleshooting online using the My Account app?
No, I have no idea.
No worries. You can actually use the My Account app to view and troubleshoot your devices, pay bills, and check statements, and many more. You can download the My Account app for free from the App Store for Apple devices and Google Play for Android.
That sounds nice. I'll download it after this call.
Perfect. That will be so helpful for you moving forward.
Okay.
I was able to detect through my system that the modem failed to come back online, Miguel. I highly recommend that we send out a technician to further check what's causing this and resolve it.
I agree. I honestly don't think that the problem is the connection inside the house. No one is really touching any of these.
Our technician will definitely check the reason behind this and resolve it. They will also inform you if there will be a one time $100 charge for this appointment based on the cost of the trouble. Nothing to worry, if this concern is within Comcast's scope, there would be no charges for the technician appointment.
Okay, fair enough.
We are staying consistent with the advice of our government and public health officials and limiting contact as much as possible. We're taking extra precautions to limit the spread of the coronavirus. Before I schedule your appointment, has anyone in your home tested positive for the virus?
No, we're all healthy.
Great! We can go ahead and schedule based on your availability.
Okay.
We are looking forward to your upcoming appointment. When the technician arrives, they will contact you and explain what they'll be doing. They will work to resolve the issue outside of your home first, and if the issue still persists, they will ask permission to enter your home. If the technician enters your home, they will wear a mask or face covering and will have washed their hands before and after every customer visit. The technician will practice social distancing by staying a minimum of 10 feet away when possible from all individuals at the time of the appointment. We request that you and anyone in your home wear a facial covering and require that you maintain 10 feet of social distancing while our techs work. Please be aware that in some states, masks are required to be worn by customers according to state mandates. If you are not comfortable wearing a mask, the technician may ask that the appointment be rescheduled or if you can remain in a different room while they complete the work in your home. They will only service the main outlet through which you receive your Xfinity services. Should I keep your 708-581-5129 as a good contact number in case we need to call you?
Yes, please.
We have a lot of available dates for your technician appointment. Do you have a preferred date?
I'm not available this week. Can we do the 20th of this month?
Sure, we have an appointment available for April 20 from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. May I know your availability?
I'm free around 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Miguel, confirming your technician appointment for April 20th between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. We're all set for this technician appointment. I really appreciate you taking time to call and tell us your concern.
Thank you. You've been a big help.
You're most welcome. Will there be anything else that I can help you with today?
No, that's all for me.
I appreciate your help in helping me check your cable connections earlier. We also sent a signal to your modem, and I have scheduled you an appointment on April 20th, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. to resolve this concern.
Yep.
Also, Comcast ensures to keep your account up to date. Is Miguel's at Comcast.net still your preferred email address? Or would you want to add a mobile number to receive updates and notifications?
I think I'm good for now.
Not a problem. I really appreciate your patience in working with me today, Miguel. Thank you for choosing Xfinity. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.